Hey, this is Rochelle here. I'm coming at you right out of the shower and I'm going to show you our new hair mask. So I've used it, but I wanted to give you all my honest opinion and show you all the results. So with our hair mask, this is Curly Girl approved ingredients. It's great for straight hair too. It's great for color treated hair, for, over processed hair. It's also safe with color treated hair and extensions. So it's safe for basically all hair. It's an intense treatment enriched with shea butter and Moroccan argan oil. Who loves argan oil? Put it in the comments below and tell me how much you love argan oil. So it penetrates the cuticle of your hair and it restores the elasticity of the hair and hydrates it. So this is great. You are going to be amazed at how awesome this is. This is on my website. So look at, first of all, the consistency of this. See that? This stuff is thick, really nice, great quality. Okay, so you use it straight out of the shower with towel dried hair. So here we go. I always like to use my wide tooth comb. Again, these are on my website because I use this in the shower. Love this hook because it hooks right on my little shower caddy. So I always comb my hair in the shower. So I've already raked it through my hair. But then I'm just going to use some of our hair mask. Oh my gosh. I wish we had a smell vision. It's okay. I just like to rub it in my hands and then I kind of apply it like this. I put my hands in the praying motion and apply it with the praying hand method. It really doesn't take that much. Again, we're just going to put it on towel dried hair and then we're going to leave it on for 5 or 10 minutes. So you don't have to leave it on a long time. It works pretty fast and quickly. Make sure you focus on the ends of those hairs, okay, where we get dry hair. So I have used argan oil on my hair for many years, and this just creates the benefits of the shea butter and the argan oil to give you this super good quality hair mask. I want y'all to try it. As with all of our products, they're guaranteed your satisfaction, so no risk there. I want you to try it. And I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes, and with the magic of the camera, I'll be right back and show you. So we're just going to leave this on for 10 minutes, and then we're going to rinse our hair and rinse it out, okay? Okay, I'm back. I have not rinsed out my hair. This is just 10 minutes later, so I wanted to show you what my hair looks like after the mask has been in for 10 minutes. It feels very moist, I guess I would say. It almost feels like when after I put in like a leave-in conditioner. It's not sticky, which is one of the things I don't like in a hair product. I don't like stickiness. Honestly, on your hands, it feels just like a good lotion, like a really good thick lotion. And the crazy part is since I've got this, I keep trying to think, how do I describe the smell? It smells clean, fresh. It almost puts me in mind of like a baby, like a product you would use on a baby, like a baby lotion, like that sort of smell. It's light. It's a really light smell. It's not herbal. It's not citrus. It's just clean and very light smelling. So that's good because if you use other body sprays or if you use other scented hair products, it's not going to, clash with them or anything. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out and then I'll be back and show you the hair after it's rinsed. Okay, let me give you a close-up. Let me show you the ends. Okay, I have uncut hair. So there you go. All right, I will be right back to show you the results after I rinse the hair. Hey guys, I'm back. So it's been about 35 minutes with my hair in our bamboo hair towel. And so I'm just going to take it off and see how my hair looks. Now, curly hair just tends to be super dry generally overall, and it frizzes out pretty fast because I have not put any product in this. So I haven't went through my curly girl routine, but you can see here it's looking pretty darn good. It would definitely be way more frizzy had I just regular shampooed my hair and not applied the hair mask. So overall, I have used it before. I just wanted to show you all the results because I thought it was great. So go check out my hair mask on my website. I think you're going to be super pleased with it. And now I'm just going to go into my regular curly girl routine. I don't think, and I didn't last time, I'm not going to, on the days that I use the hair mask, I'm not going to use my deep conditioner, and I'll just go right into my styling potion. So there you have it. Go check out my hair mask on my website. I think you're going to be super pleased. Y'all have a blessed day. Leave your comments below. Have you used a hair mask? Any type of hair mask? Tell me your results and what you think of it. Have a blessed one.